Hi friends, this is Nancy from VEIKONG company. Today I'd like to introduce you about our GPS remote control device. The GPS remote control device enhances the efficiency, reliability, manageability of solar pumping system by enabling real-time data transmission and control via the cellular networks. You can control it via your computer and the mobile phone. Now I show you more details. Now I show you the computer side first. You can see from here, running frequency, water flows. For any parameters from here, you can see very clearly. And this fault states, if reports any fault code, it will show here. And the history data. Very clearly. Full date access. You can use one master account to control all sub-accounts for management. Designed very friendly and very easy to use. And you can see from the maps, you can see the installation in which place. Now I show you on the mobile side an example. Can run and stop. And from here, you can see any date very clearly. And set the time from here. Historical. And set parameters from here. After watch my video, if you are interested in our GPS device but don't know how to use, don't worry. We will teach you one by one. We have strong R&D team. Contact me please, Nancy. Bye bye.